UltraShape 1.0 introduces a new way to generate high-fidelity three-dimensional shapes using artificial intelligence. For years, creating detailed 3D models automatically has been a major challenge. Most systems struggle to balance global structure with fine geometric detail. The results often look rough, incomplete, or unrealistic. UltraShape takes a different approach. Instead of trying to generate everything at once, it breaks the problem into two clear stages. In the first stage, the model focuses only on the global shape. It builds a clean, coarse structure that captures the overall form of an object without worrying about small details. This step is crucial. A strong global structure gives the system a reliable foundation to build on. In the second stage, UltraShape refines that structure. It adds high-resolution geometric details, improving surface quality, sharp edges, and fine features. This two-stage diffusion process allows the model to scale complexity without losing stability or accuracy. Behind the scenes, UltraShape also relies on a carefully designed data pipeline. Before training begins, the system cleans and improves three-dimensional training data. It fills holes, removes broken geometry, thickens thin surfaces, and filters out low-quality shapes. This pre-processing step dramatically improves learning efficiency and final output quality. Another key idea is decoupling global shape understanding from local detail synthesis. By separating these tasks, the model can focus its computational power where it matters most. The result is cleaner geometry, fewer artifacts, and more realistic 3D shapes. UltraShape can generate detailed three-dimensional models from simple inputs, including images. These models are suitable for real-world applications such as augmented reality, virtual production, game assets, simulation, and robotics. Compared to many existing open-source methods, UltraShape delivers competitive or better quality while remaining efficient and scalable. This makes it practical, not just as a research project, but as a tool developers and creators can actually use. UltraShape 1.0 is fully open source. The code, models, and documentation are available for researchers, engineers, and artists to explore. With the right setup, users can run pre-trained checkpoints or train custom models for their own datasets. UltraShape represents a step forward in making high-quality 3D creation more accessible. It's not just about generating shapes. It's about building reliable structure first, then refining detail with precision. This is where artificial intelligence meets three-dimensional imagination.